Hi everybody, welcome back to Baking Stories with Shinova. Welcome to Baking Stories with Shinova. It's been a while, illa? Romba naalachu. But I have a very special recipe for you all today. Today we're going to make pineapple upside down cake. எனக்கு தெரியும் pineapple pastries எல்லாரோட favorite. It's been some time since bakery started making these awesomely delicious fresh cream and pineapple pastries. எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு I haven't met anybody who does not like these pastries. Anna, this is different. This is slightly healthier. I'm feeling bad to even say that. Simply because it does not have fresh cream and icing. It can be eaten as a cake. That's the first point. Secondly, it can be made very easily at home. And third thing is, in the cake, icing and fresh cream illanalyo, it is as delicious as a pineapple pastry you'll get it in the bakeries. Before we get started, you need to know a few things. Pineapple upside down cake out seri, pineapple pastry out seri, we cannot use fresh pineapples because fresh pineapples have certain acids and enzymes which will not go well with the cake mix or batter. So what do we use? We use something called canned pineapple. Now this is the most easily available canned fruit in the market. நீங்க எந்த சூப்பர் மார்க்கெட் போனாலும் இந்த canned pineapples கிடைக்கும். Before we start, I want to tell you a small history about canned pineapples. So what is canned food? For canned food, we think it is made out of plastic, can, but illa. It is made out of metal. Sometimes we call it tinned food also. So in the canned or tinned food, why did it start? Who started it? And when was it started? In France in 1809, French was going through wars. It was called Napoleonic Wars. Army people, when they go out for battle, மாசக்கணக்கில் அவங்களுக்கு food இல்லாமல் they have to stay outside. So French government was worried. So அவங்க ஒரு அறிக்கை விட்டாங்க, whoever comes out with a technique to preserve food for months will be rewarded. So there was a chef called Nicholas. He came up with this idea that anything you put in a jar and make it airtight, you can keep it for a long time. So they tried it and it worked. So upon the glass jars, they used to put processed cooked food and remove the air எடுத்துட்டு அதை seal பண்ணிட்டா it will be fresh till you open it. So he was rewarded, of course. But then over a period of time, people started realizing they can use metal, tin and seal food. Air எடுத்துட்ட உடனே they are removing the bacteria and germs and everything that will spoil food. So once you remove that, the food will remain intact and fresh for a long time. So that is why it started. That is when it started. Now canned and tinned food is a staple. Everybody around the world use it, and now it's catching up in India as well. Especially fruits like peaches, cherries. ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக கிடைக்காது இந்தியாவில். So we import it from foreign countries. So through canned method, we are able to enjoy fruits like that. So who started canning food? Beginning historically, canning of food, why did it start? You can actually guess. It started in the year 1809 in France. So France, they were at war. It was called Napoleonic Wars. அப்போ ஒரு கன்சர்ன் இருந்தது. அவங்களது சோல்ஜர்ஸ் மாசக்கணக்கில் they used to go and fight. And most of them, ஹங்கராலே they were dying more than battlefield. The French government ஒரு அறிக்கை விட்டாங்க, whoever comes up with a cheap and easy technique to preserve food for months will be rewarded. So there was a chef, a cook, his name was Nicholas. He came up with this technique that air எடுத்துட்டீங்க ஜாரில் போட்டு if you keep it airtight, you can keep it for months together, preserve it for months together. And of course they tried it and it worked, so he was rewarded. So now pineapples எப்போ preserve பண்ணாங்க? pineapples was preserved in the year 1910, I think, 1910, and it was done by this man called Dole, D-O-L-E. Okay. So he started a company called Hawaiian Pineapple Canned Company. It did not happen in France, it happened in the US. So US la he started this company. So until then, pineapples were eaten fresh. After the canning started, people எப்பவுமே ஏதாவது புதுசாக இருந்தால் அதை ட்ரை பண்ண ஹெசிடேட் பண்ணுவாங்க, because it's new. We Indians are very much careful about these things. புதுசாக நம்ம எதுவுமே ட்ரை பண்ண மாட்டோம். It takes a long time for us to adjust to something new. So this company 1925 sales ரொம்ப கம்மியாக இருந்தது. So they came up with an idea. Whoever comes up with a recipe with canned pineapple will be rewarded again. So guess what? 60,000 people applied to take part in the competition, and adla 2,500 people made pineapple upside down cake. Adukku munadi upside down cake nave it was always apples or cherries. Nobody had tried pineapple, but on the contest nala people used their brains and started using canned pineapple, and they made pineapple upside down cake. That is the birth of this cake. But now the most famous upside down cake it's pineapple da, because nothing suits, no other fruit suits better than pineapples for the pineapple upside down cake. So what is pineapple upside down cake? Cake bottom is lined with fruit, adukku mele cake batter. Cake அப்படியே bake பண்ணிட்ட பின்னாடி you turn it upside down. So the fruit is on top and the cake is in the bottom. And one plus point about this is, of course, no icing and no fresh cream, so it's easy to make. In fact, அந்த காலத்துல they used to make it in a skillet na pan, iron pan la fruits arrange பண்ணிட்டு cake batter மேல போட்டுட்டு மூடிட்டு அப்படியே bake பண்ணிடுவாங்க. ovens இல்லாத டைம்லயே they used to make this cake. It was called a skillet cake or a pan cake with fruits. So today we have ovens, and ovens la the texture fluffy ah varum, it is more moist, so it's more tasty. So let's get started. So as you can see, I have opened the seal, and these are pineapple slices. இது sugar syrupல soak பண்ணி வச்சிருக்காங்க. That's how it gets preserved. இந்த water நீங்க discard பண்ணிடலாம், throw it away, or you can use it for some juices or some desserts. It's a syrup மாதிரி இருக்கும், இதுல நிறைய sugar content இருக்கும், so we can throw this away. So for this cake we need, of course, pineapple slices. We need cherries. You can use the normal cherries which you get in the market. 1.5 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. 3/4 cup of white sugar. 1/4 cup of melted butter. 1/2 cup of oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil. 1/2 cup of milk. 2 eggs. 1/2 cup of brown sugar. And of course 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. So let's get started. We have a cake tin, and idukku நம்ம grease பண்ணி baking sheet ஒட்டணும் எதுவுமே தேவையில்ல. There are many recipes for pineapple upside down cake, but trust me, this is the easiest, simplest version. Most recipes என்ன சொல்லுவாங்க, you have to brown sugar preheat பண்ணுங்க, make it brown on the stove, and then அதெல்லாம் தேவையே இல்லை, because I've tried these recipes and something or the other goes wrong when you start heating sugar. So this is the easiest version, trust me. Okay, so in a pan just pour the melted butter. Okay, make sure even ah irukano, make sure it's even. Once you do this, the next step is take your brown sugar and sprinkle it evenly. இது soft brown sugar, ரொம்ப ஹார்ட் இல்லை, கல்லா இல்லை, அது கொஞ்சம் சாஃப்டாக இருக்குது. Small grain brown sugar வாங்கிக்கோங்க, you would get it easily in the market, and you have to use brown sugar for this. White sugar போட முடியாது. So once we sprinkle the brown sugar on the melted butter evenly, ஒரு அளவு ஒரே லெவலில் நம்ம ஸ்ப்ரிங்கிள் பண்ணோம். Our next step is to just place the pineapples. I don't know if I mentioned earlier, these pineapples, normal fresh pineapples cannot be used for any pineapple cake recipe. Only canned can be used. Yena fresh pineapple there are certain acids and enzymes which will spoil the cake batter. So we cannot use fresh pineapple. So I'm just arranging sides, the gaps all I'm filling it up. எங்கெங்கே முடியுதோ அங்கெல்லாம் you can just fill it up with pineapples. எங்கெங்கே gaps இருக்கோ அங்கெல்லாம். Now that this is ready, I'm just going to arrange the cherries. Mostly the design factor da. Of course it adds a lot of flavor and taste also, but it makes it look pretty. Number markets la red color hard cherries kedikume, that also works, no worries. I think that should do. We'll just put one here. Right, so this is ready. So this cake tin will wait. Now we will make the cake batter. So நம்மளுக்கு தேவையான பொருட்கள் வந்து first 2 eggs. We'll start with 2 eggs. So for these 2 eggs we will add 3/4 cups of sugar, but before we do that we will beat the eggs nicely. ஒரு அளவுக்கு beat பண்ண பின்னாடி 3/4 cup of sugar add பண்ணிட்டு we beat again. The egg and the sugar has been beaten really well. இதுக்கு வந்து we are adding half cup of vegetable oil and just beat for another 2 minutes. Batter pathina the egg and sugar mixture and oil mixture pathina it's quite pale and fluffy. The sugar is completely melted. Idukku vande we will add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla essence. So this is a wet ingredient. It's ready. Innoru wet ingredient irukku, half a cup of milk. Adu vande number dry ingredients and wet ingredients mix பண்ணும்போது அதை add பண்ணுவோம். Right now we will move to the dry ingredients. The dry ingredients is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour or maida. We're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, not soda. That's it. Nothing else. Now we mix both of them together with half cup of milk. So here is our wet ingredients and our dry ingredients. Little by little, as usual, we put it in and fold it with a silicone spatula. Vigorously adu vandu mix pannakoodadhu. So as we do this, we start adding milk. So as I do this, I've already switched on my oven. As usual, 180 degrees, 10 minutes ku preheat pananum. It is very important to heat your oven before you put the cake inside. So I'm preheating my oven for the last 5 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. That's the last of my milk. Nalla dry maavu illadha varaikkum you have to mix it, but don't be in a hurry. Gently mix pananum. So as you can see, it's completely mixed up and it's ready. Number pan is waiting, so we're going to just pour this into the pan. As easy and simple as that. So I poured the batter. I'm just making sure it's even spread out. Nothing should be visible. As you can see, it's been spread batter into the oven. It's been preheating for the last 10 minutes. It takes about 30 minutes, so I'm setting the timer. In 30 minutes, pineapple upside down cake will be ready to eat. So the cake is baking. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes to bake. The best way to eat pineapple upside down cake is when it's warm. Also with a scoop of ice cream, vanilla ice cream. Absolute divine, heavenly. And also one more thing, I hope அதை சொல்ல மறந்துட்டேன் பிகினிங்கில். Canned fruits and vegetables இன்னும் higher value இருக்குது nutritionally, simply because vegetables and fruits ஃப்ரெஷ்ஷாக இருக்கும்போது immediately it's been processed and canned. So its dietary fibers, vitamins and nutrients do not diminish. It remains intact. Whereas fresh vegetables and fruits are in the market for some time and it goes through a process of decomposing. So by the time we get to it, it is not as fresh and nutritionally high as we think. Ana, canned fruits and vegetables, immediately it's straight from the plants, it goes to the processing and they select the best quality to can. That's another thing to remember. So try it. A lot of Indian companies are canning it and a lot of Indian companies are doing this. It's not very expensive and you can also get to enjoy nutritionally high quality fruits, vegetables. So try it, give it a shot. So let's wait for the cake to come out. Cut a piece and have it right in front of you. So it's been about 45 minutes. It's taken a little slightly longer than expected. But the cake is done. I've already done a skewer test. I'm just loosening the sides now with the knife. And I'm going to topple this cake. So this is a quintessential pineapple upside down cake. It's hot, so be careful please. So there you have it, a beautiful pineapple upside down cake. It's really hot, but it's best eaten when it's hot. So just have to scoop an ice cream or vanilla flavored ice cream and it's the best treat you can have made at home easily. Welcome to Baking Stories with Shilova.